Look at the result. The visible route is corrected without rebuilding the pipe. In WatDis, select a pipe and open Edit Drawing Vertices. Connected endpoint nodes stay fixed. You work only with intermediate points. You can move a vertex, insert a new one between two segments, or delete the selected point. If you make a mistake while editing, Undo restores the previous step inside the draft. You can also choose Cancel. When you reopen the editor, the network still has the geometry it had before you started. To save a correction, adjust the points and choose Apply. The operation changes only the drawing. It preserves the identifier, endpoint nodes, and declared hydraulic properties, including length, diameter, and roughness. Hydraulic length is not recalculated when you move the drawing. If the result was not what you intended, Global Undo restores the previous geometry. WatDis. Fix the drawing, preserve the model,